Hello, today we will talk about MRI scan. What is MRI scan? How is this scan done? Any precaution before the scan is done? About this some basic information I shall give you in this video. What is MRI scan? MRI scan is magnetic resonance imaging. In this technique, we use magnetic waves to obtain the images of organs inside our body. What is this test done? MRI of head may be required in diseases like brain tumor, aneurysms or stroke, etc. MRI of chest may be needed in case of heart diseases to know about the condition of heart valves, coronary artery blockage, etc. For lung, it may be needed to know about presence of abscess or any lung tumor, etc. In abdomen and pelvis, MRI may be needed to know about the condition of liver, pancreas, kidney, gallbladder, etc. Along with MRI of pelvis may be needed to know about the status of pelvis organ like urinary bladder or female genital tract, uterus, ovary, etc. MRI of bone and joints may be needed in case of bone tumor, arthritis or any injury to the joints, cartilage or tendons, etc. MRI of spine may be needed in case of trauma to this spine, this prolapse or spinal tumor. How is this test done? Patient is asked to remove all the clothes along with all the metal objects like it watch or jewelry, etc. and a gown is provided. Then the patient lies on the table with the slides inside the MRI scanner which is of this shape of a tube or a canal. Patient is usually instructed to lie still during the MRI. The patient may hear tapping noises during the MRI. Is there any special instruction given before the MRI scan? If the patient has any stents, pacemaker or nails in joints or any tattoos on the skin, the information should be given to the doctor before perform the test. In this test painful. Usually the test is not painful. However, if a contrast is needed for the MRI, then the contrast is injected intravenously which may cause some pain. How much time is required for this test? This is a long test and can take a time between 30 to 60 minutes. What is open MRI? If the patient is claustrophobic or epileptic, then instead of moving the patient into a tunnel-like MRI scanner, and open scanner is used and the patient feels some relief.